In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transform a list of information into a neatly organized paragraph using the ChatGPT Atlas app. This app can be incredibly helpful for anyone who needs to reformat text efficiently, whether you're working on a school project, a business report, or just trying to tidy up your notes. Let's start with the first step, which involves opening the ChatGPT Atlas app. Make sure the app is already installed on your device. This intuitive tool offers a range of functions, but today, we're zoning in on how to convert lists into cohesive paragraphs. Once you've launched the app, you'll find yourself on a user-friendly interface. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with it, but our focus for now is on the chat section. Now, navigate over to the chat section within the app. This is where the real magic will happen. You might notice other features in the app, but the chat section is specifically designed to handle text input and response generation. Here, you'll be able to communicate directly with the AI to carry out the task at hand. The next step involves pasting your list into the prompt section. You can simply copy your list from your document or notes and paste it right into the chat area. Once you've pasted your list, you'll want to add a specific instruction in the prompt. Type, "Turn this into a paragraph." This tells the AI exactly what you want it to do with the text you've provided. Providing clear instructions is crucial when working with AI to ensure you get the outcome you desire. With your list and the prompt now in place, it's time to move on to the final action, clicking Submit. This button is usually prominently displayed, making it easy to find. By clicking Submit, you signal to the app that you're ready to see the transformation take effect. Within moments, the AI will process your request and reorganize your list into a fluid, well-structured paragraph. And there you have it. In a few simple steps, you've used the ChatGPT Atlas app to convert a list into a seamless paragraph. This streamlined approach not only saves time, but also ensures that your information is presented in a clear and readable manner. Whether you're drafting a professional document or organizing personal notes, this method is a game changer. I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. Make sure to experiment with different lists to see how versatile the app can be. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep organizing your content with ease and clarity.